Mine's in the front.
Fuck.
We got the motherfucking 14s. My Mustang isn't here. The real man's car isn't here. It's at my house.
Yeah, this isn't cutting shit. I have to get the other piece. Oh shit. This thing cuts like fucking butter.
It's a little dark under here.
It's cutting right through, but it's getting tired.
SpongeBob, come on.
Hey. Shit, fucked it up.
So I can.
And I was looking like his iPhone.
The fucking.
See that?
Oh, you fucking up. Alright, you good, perfect. You said put it in first, remember?
No, first was in one before.
Well, yeah, that's true. But it still locks it. Everything's stolen.
Fuck out.
Hey, that's a goddamn.
Show the cracks. What we got so far.
I think I got that on video.
Hey! Alright, this is why you don't get fucking tools from Lowe's.
Are you slandering that shit on video? They better.
Only from Harbor Freight. We're sponsored. Oh, wait, this isn't even made for me.
It's a drill. You're supposed to drill holes in like wall and like screw nails in.
Dude, what this sounds like straight farts.
They don't.
Alright, we finally took it off. We didn't think this quite through.
I did.
Now we're just gonna tie this. Okay, that's good.
Are you sure? It doesn't look like it.
It's not, but
Might want to tie a few more.
it's only gonna be to your house.
Well, you might want to take this muffler off.
It's off.
That almost went terribly wrong. Could have hit you in the dick.
On my face.
I think the dick is worse. Mission accomplished. Let's check the time. Let's check the time. Where we at? 6:21. It only took 50 billion hours.
Hey, ready to hear this rice?
There we go.
Smoking?
Nah, but I smell it. At first I was like, I don't hear it. It doesn't sound any different
Yeah, me too.
than when you revved it. That's when I fucking heard it. We got the Ford Mustang right here. Other Ford Mustang. We got a Mustang owner right here.
Fuck it up.
Good.
The engine's still louder. So now we're going to AutoZone to buy new metal clamps, bigger ones than these.
Hey. Oh. Back at it. Back at it with the Ricer Kia.